Introducing the Slim Jim electric flow boiler from EHC. The Slim Jim is a fully controllable electric boiler which is designed to maximise cupboard space, making it ideal for heating applications where space is at a premium. Our single-phase electric flow boiler outputs are 4 kW, 7 kW, 10 kW, 12 kW with the 14.4 kW available for properties that require larger outputs. The Slim Jim boiler can be used in an S-plan configuration to enable you to select heating only, hot water only, or both at the same time. It is 100% efficient, virtually silent in operation, and easy to install. The Slim Jim electric flow boiler also has an easy-fit front cover for future maintenance purposes. It has a user-friendly front control panel incorporating an easy-to-use temperature control dial, as well as heat and fault diagnostic indicators for the user and installer. The boiler temperature range can be set between 30 degrees and 80 degrees, which also makes it a suitable choice for wet central heating radiators and underfloor heating systems. Safety is of paramount importance, and as such, the boiler incorporates a unique high current safety cutout device to protect the boiler against overheating. The Slim Jim can be supplied as a standalone unit, or complete with a choice of boiler packs for heating only or heating and domestic hot water installations. Each Slim Jim boiler comes with a 2-year guarantee and with extended warranties available. The Slim Jim boiler from EHC.